All right. So right there is a magpie. Oh, just went down there to feed. But if you look, I don't know if it's going to show up right or blurry. They've been working on that nest right there. They've been going crazy. Oh, she just came out. They've been going crazy. Oh, where'd they go? All right. So there's one right there. There's another one in that tree right there. And then there's another one. Oh, let's not go there. Let's go over here. In that tall one, it's right about the height of the tree in front of it to the right. And those are crows in that one. The first one was magpies. So then we go over here. And there's another one in that tree, right? Where to go? No, not that tree. That tree right there. Oh, that's a little bit too close. And I think the nest is right there. Those are magpies too. And the funny thing is that's where there is a hummingbird nest right in there too. So it's going to get busy around here with all these birds. Have an adventure.